Creating a liver detox drink at home is relatively simple and can help support your liver's natural detoxification processes. Here's a basic recipe for a homemade liver detox drink. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, not boiling, just warm to touch. 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, raw and unfiltered. 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric. A pinch of black pepper, to enhance the absorption of turmeric. Optional. 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup for added sweetness. Instructions. In a mug or glass, combine the warm water, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar. Stir in the ground turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. The pepper helps increase the bioavailability of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. If desired, add a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup to sweeten the drink. However, it's better to consume it without added sweeteners if you can tolerate the taste. Mix everything well until all ingredients are combined. How to use. It's best to drink this liver detox concoction on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or before meals. You can incorporate this drink into your daily routine, but avoid excessive consumption. Once a day is generally sufficient. Remember that this drink is intended to complement a healthy diet and lifestyle, not replace it. Benefits of ingredients. Lemon juice contains vitamin C and antioxidants that support the liver's detoxification processes. Apple cider vinegar helps balance blood sugar levels and supports the liver in metabolizing fats. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that may assist in liver health and detoxification. Black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin from turmeric, maximizing its benefits. Honey or maple syrup, optional, adds a touch of sweetness and provides some antioxidants, but use sparingly if you include it. Remember, while this liver detox drink can be a helpful addition to your diet, it's essential to maintain a well-balanced and nutritious diet overall to support your liver and overall health. If you have any existing health conditions or concerns, consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet.